LOAD. Put in the procedure, you know what it is, you wanna be me. Looking at the round because of the nigga know what it is in fatigue. Putting on the sharpness of commotion, and you know that we beast. Talk about this lyrical heat, talk about what you hear in the streets. Talk about this thing and the topic is, you know what it is, it's Melly. Don't forget me for all my G's that don't really like what I do. Fuck around, I say it indeed. Who the hell is hating on who? In the minds of what is consumed, I carry everything trues, and the motherfuckers is on it. Everything is on loose, and the motives, ladies can call it. You already know choose. I'm saying what you know flaws, and I will leave you removed. I'm so a boss in my motion, do my things and I prove to do my thing with devotion. Put it down, make it soothe. I'm talking that beat, let it roll it. Put it down and I lose it. Talking about what it is, cause a nigga don't lose. So I know from the way that we got it, niggas don't be playing, y'all. But you know, they don't really see what they really gon' do. And all alone, I'ma put it off on the top of where I spit. But it is, God know, love for the rules and put it in the logo. LOAD. 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 Preview. LOAD. Hey. LOAD. Yeah.